Today we're going to talk about a crucial skill every film director needs to master, which is communicating your vision. In this video, we'll dive into the art of effectively sharing your ideas with your cast and crew, so grab your director's chair and let's get started. As a film director, your primary responsibility is to bring your creative vision to life. You can't do it alone. You need to work with a team of talented individuals, each with their own expertise. That is why communication is key. When everyone is on the same page, you can create a cohesive and powerful film that resonates with your audience. Before you can communicate your vision, you need to have a clear understanding of it yourself. So spend time developing your ideas, visualizing the scenes, and considering the overall tone and the message of your film. Ask yourself, what story am I trying to tell? Why am I the right person to tell it? What emotions do I want to evoke in my audience? And what visual style will best convey my message? Once you have a solid grasp of your vision, you'll be better equipped to share it with others. Film is a visual medium, so it's essential to use a visual language when communicating your ideas. Storyboards, concept art, and reference images can help you convey your vision more effectively than words alone. By providing visual aids, you give your team a tangible representation of your ideas, making it easier for them to understand and execute your vision. When discussing your vision, be specific and clear, so avoid using vague or ambiguous language that could lead to confusion or misinterpretation. So instead of saying, I want this to feel sad, try saying, I want the lighting to be dim and the camera movement to be slow and steady to create a somber atmosphere. By being precise in your communication, you'll minimize misunderstandings and ensure your team knows exactly what you want. Remember that filmmaking is a collaborative process, so while it's essential to communicate your vision, it's equally important to listen to your team's input. They bring their own expertise and experience to the table, and their ideas can enhance your vision. Encourage open dialogue and be receptive to feedback. By fostering a collaborative environment, you'll create a stronger film that benefits from the collective creativity of your team. Sometimes things don't go as planned, so whether it's due to budget constraints, location issues, or other foreseen challenges, you may need to adapt your vision. So be prepared to adjust your ideas while still maintaining the essence of your story. Communicate these changes clearly to your team and work together to find creative solutions that will keep your film on track. Effective communication isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process throughout the entire production. Regularly check in with your cast and crew to ensure that everyone is still aligned with your vision. Hold meetings, provide updates, and address any concerns or questions as they arise. By maintaining open lines of communication, you'll keep your team engaged and motivated to bring your vision to life. As a director, it's crucial to trust your team. You've chosen them for their skills and their expertise, so you need to have some faith in their abilities. So delegate tasks and give them the autonomy to make decisions within their respective roles. By empowering your team, you'll foster a sense of ownership and pride in their work, ultimately leading to a better final product. Your team looks to you for guidance and direction. It's essential to lead with confidence, even when facing challenges or uncertainty. So stay calm, stay focused, and decisive, and your team will follow suit. Remember that your confidence in your vision will inspire confidence in your team. Throughout the filmmaking process, take the time to acknowledge and celebrate your team's successes. Whether it's a perfectly executed scene or a creative solution to a problem, recognizing their hard work and achievements will boost morale and motivate them to continue giving it their best. Every film project is a learning experience. Reflect on what worked well and what could be improved in terms of communication. Take note of any challenges you faced and how you overcame them. By learning from each project, you'll become a more effective communicator and director, leading to even greater success in your future films. So let's recap the key points that we've covered today on how to communicate your vision as a film director. Number 1 is know your vision inside and out. Number 2 is use visual language to convey your ideas. Number 3 is be specific and clear in your communication. Number 4 is collaborate and listen to your team's input. Number 5 is adapt and adjust when necessary. Number 6 is maintain consistent communication throughout the production. And number 7 is trust your team and delegate tasks. Number 8 is lead with confidence. Number 9 is celebrate successes along the way. And then finally is number 10, which is learn from each project to improve your communication skills. By mastering these techniques, you'll be well on your way to effectively communicating your vision and creating films that resonate with your audience. I hope that you found these tips helpful and that they will inspire you to create amazing films. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more filmmaking insights.